how to extract RAR files on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So in order for you to extract the RAR files on your Android phone, you will need an app. So go ahead and open up Play Store and search for RAR, and once you have installed this app, open it, and here you will need to locate the RAR file that you want to extract. So go ahead and do that, and once you find the file, just click and hold on it, and from the pop-up menu list you will have three options. You can extract the file to itself, or you can extract in this folder right here, or you can click on extract files and select the path that you want to extract the file to, say for example here, and once you're there just click on OK at the bottom right to select the path, then click on OK to extract. As you can see, the file is now being extracted, and once you do that, the file will be extracted to the path or destination or the folder that you choose. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can extract RAR files in Android phones. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.